Hello friends, welcome to Dost2Web. Friends, I'm just going to show you that even how you can log in, and if any subject is added extra, and how you can remove those subject, and then you are going to apply. So first of all, you have to just directly open the portal login, which is already I will mention in video description. You can take directly from there. And guys, as per the new update, you must use Google Chrome only on that to your desktop, that means your computer, so on your laptop or on your desktop PC. So this is the update, and let's proceed and see that how we can fill the application form. So the website is loading fast from yesterday night, almost by 11 PM I can see that. So guys, first of all, you have to upload the photos here. As I said, once your photo is uploaded, you will be able to see that photo uploaded with the green tick. Then application is incomplete. You have to click on apply examination form. So I'll be clicking on apply examination form. So you want to apply, click OK. So this application I'm applying now as per the current time, that is now the time is 11:50 AM morning. So you can see the student name, college name, the semester, scheme. Please verify once everything is coming correctly. So once you come below, then you will be able to see that the subject code related to your subject also you can see here. So this is the fourth semester subject, that is 18 scheme. So you can see that fourth semester student, this student especially I'm talking about, they don't have Adalita Kannada, that is the Kannada for administration, then Vyavarika Kannada for communication, and additional mathematics 2. So these two we have to remove. Now how you are going to remove? So they have in the manual, they have user manual, they have given that you can uncheck this option whichever is not relevant to you, and that means you are not going to apply. So you can see that by default all is checked and we are not able to uncheck it. So how you are going to do this one? Okay, so this is the steps here. And next, you can see the fees details also will be available here, how much the fees you are going to make the payment. You can see that the complete fees details is there. So how you are going to proceed this? So before proceeding this video, I would like to request you all, please subscribe our channel, Dost2Web. You will be getting a red color icon here, subscribe. So you have to click on that, and then after followed by you have to click the bell icon, that is the all notification to be on. So the update you will be receiving fastly to your devices. So please subscribe. So let's proceed to completion of the applying examination application form. So this is the what you have to do, guys. You have to click on the add subject. You can see on the below you'll be having something mentioned as add subject. You have to click on this. So you have to check mark on this. I'll click on this. The moment you click add subject, you will be able to see the check mark is enabled. You can see here the check mark is enabled. That means now you can check, you can uncheck whichever not applicable for your examination purpose. So you can follow the same and you can uncheck which is not required. Again I repeat you all guys, please watch it carefully. By default it will be unchecked. You can see here by default it is checked. You cannot modify this. To modify, that means uncheck, as per the user manual you are going to do add subject here. To check, you have to check this marks, that means the checkbox to be marked. That means you can see here in the it's a tick mark has been marked here in the blue color. Once you mark this one, automatically you can see on the all subject with the subject name and subject code, it is getting appeared over here with the uncheck symbol. So what you have to do, whichever not applicable, just click on that. Okay, I don't have mathematics 18 math dip 41. I don't have this subject to write the examination. I will uncheck this. This is also, I don't have the subject, and also I don't have Adalita Kannada for writing the exam. So only these 9 subject I have to write the examination, or this only 9 subject I am going to apply. So once you do this one, you will be able to see that there is the option. That's all. Just now you can uncheck this. Once you uncheck, you can see there I have only selected, this is the first subject, 18 math 41, 18 CS 42, 18 CS 43, 18 CS 44, 18 CS 45, 18 CS 46, 18 CSL 47, 18 CSL 48, 18 CPC 49, that is the Constitution of India. So these 9 subjects I am going to apply. You can see that all these 3 subject is not checked. I repeat again guys, this all 3 subject is not unchecked. So many guys, you all have the question, how can I remove the subject which I don't want to appear for the examination, or that is added extra. So this way you can remove the subject and you are going to only apply this subject examination. Once you finish this, then you are going to click on submit. So guys, you tell you that you can submit this. So I will be submitting now. So you can see guys, the application has been submitted successfully. You can click OK. Once you can click OK, you will be able to see the view application forms. So guys, before making your final submission, please view the application form, see that everything is correct, it has been submitted properly, then only do it. So I'll click on view application form. So far I have not done the finalize application. Even you should do the similarly. Don't click on finalize if anything is wrong or you have done correctly. So before finalizing, please verify it once again, then go for finalize application. Because if you do the mistake again, it will take some time to get properly change whatever the mistake we have done. So don't do any mistakes, do it slowly. The website is working very good now, and it's fast also. You can just use it and view the application form. So friends, you can see here the application is completed. Photo is also uploaded, both is in green color. Finalize application for college approval. So we have to finalize the application form. You can see the link is over here. So we have to click on finalize application forms. Once you click on this, after this submission, that means finalize application submission, you are not allowed to change anything. Once you click on this, you will get the option application cannot be edited after final submission. You have to click OK. Photo cannot be edited after final submission. Click OK. Do you want final submission? OK. So once you do this, that means your application will be submitted successfully. Thereafter, you are not going to modify on the application. So it will load again once the finalization get complete. So this happens sometimes. So just click on a refresh or a reload button. So you can see here it will come a pop-up message, application finalized successfully. You have to click on OK. So you can see there now there is no option for editing or final submission. You can see here application is completed, photo is uploaded, completed, application finalized, also completed for college approval. So college approval pending, that is this error, it means it is not the error, your college, your department has to approve this application. So once the college will be approving, that means it will be submitted to the VTU and you should not worry about further. So after that the hall ticket generation will be there, so it will be in your login, you can able to see that. So further update we will wait to see by VTU, and you have to just now we have to print the application form. So how you have to print, many students they are asking the question that how to print that. So nothing you have to do, you are going to here click on view application form. So you have to click on view application form. So once the application form will be open, now you have to take the print of this application form and you have to sign it. So what you are going to do to print this, so many questions has been asked by the many students that how to take printout. There is no print option. So guys, you are an engineer and you should know a little bit about how to use computer. So please learn that little bit. And what you have to do here, you have to press Control button from your laptop keyboard or your keyboard, whatever you are using. Control plus P. Plus means together, control button and P button together. So if you press both button together, you will get a pop-up. So you can see here the pop-up has appeared and the entire details forms will appear with the date when you have submitted, and your name, your college name, USN number, your UG or PG, which branch code, semester and application ID, and whatever the subject you are applying. So this all will be there, followed with your application fees, how much you have paid, the exam fees details also it will be there, and there will be a declaration, date will be there, and you have to sign here. So what you have to do, once you press Control P, by default either if you have printer at home, then you can select the printer and print the copy. If you don't have, then you just click on this option, that is the destination. There will be an option called Save as PDF. Select this, Save as PDF, and click on Save button. Once you click on Save, this form will be saved into the PDF format. So I'll click on. So once I click on Save, you can see there it is giving the file name. You can write whatever you want, your name, or you can write anything, whatever you wish. My exam application, whatever you want, you can write it, and you can click enter or you can click on save. Once you save, this application is saved on your computer. So you can open that, you can take the printout, you can put the signature. If the printer is not available, you are in containment zone, guys, so you are cannot move out. Okay, so in that case, what you are going to do, you take the photo, that is your PDF, whatever you have downloaded, you sign on a paper, transfer to your own computer, paste that photo signature over here, and you can upload it here. Make sure that your signature should match further also, it should be not mismatch. So if you're possible, try to take printout. So this way, guys, you can able to do the correction. Okay, while applying your examination form, you can change the subject. So you have to come to the dashboard. Once you come back dashboard, click on log out once you have completed and waiting for the application approval from your college. It is pending. So once it is approved, even you can see that maybe after one day on 9th, tomorrow, or maybe in evening, you can log in and check it out. So it depends on your college how they are doing that. So further you can log in and verify it. So thank you guys for the watching, and this maybe this video is little long, so have patience to watch this, and please I request again, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching everyone. Take care. Bye bye.